Part 2, round 4 wheeling.
We're not making a real wheel.
Yeah, because part 1. This is right off of Levitt Road. That's Levitt Road right there. It's right there, that building right there that my dad might be thinking of buying. Hey, so people are out here anyway.
All right, who had a good ride, guys?
Oh, dude, we're still riding around, dude.
Oh, heck yeah!
Dude, we still have enough gas. Dude, we have a lot, dude. Yeah. Go 24.
Oh, frick. What?
Take it off. Colin got mud in his face.
Oh, God. Shit.
Damn, my face is hurting like hell.
Put it. Want me to have it?
No, I got it. Hey, can I have it?
Let's go.
Go.
Hold on. Slow down the hill.
Yeah. No, we're going to go fast down the hill.
Chris is
damn.
Slow.
Hey, we're going downhill, dude.
Yeah. Down up the hill.
Oh, dude, this is freaking sick, dude. I'd probably do a part 4. I'd probably get 4 parts. Is this part 4 or part 3? Part 2. Oh, shit! Stop, Jared!
Whoa, did we go there?
You're gonna make me fall off. Dude, you keep on going straight.
Straight?
Yeah, you keep on going straight.
You're gonna make me fall off. That's why we gotta stay stop.
Hey, then whenever we get back to that one intersection part, we're gonna go turn right up here. Turn right on the intersection.
Oh my God!
What? Damn, Colin! I think we're lost. No. Oh yeah, you keep on going straight. But that was because we gunned it going back. Stuff that one. I think we are lost now. Hey, whenever it's my turn to ride, we're gonna switch. Somebody's gonna hold the camera for me. Yeah, go straight.
No, we're lost.
No. Yeah.
We can't. No, we didn't.
No, we didn't do. We're lost.
Dude, I know where we can. We passed it up.
Yeah.
No, dude, because I saw that. I remember seeing it.
That's the other side, no. Dude, that's the other side we went on. Dude, if we have to, we can go straight back up to that one place.
Oh, crap.
You can't even drive straight, dude.
No, because of this thing.
Hey, dude, if we ever get stuck, we got a tow hitch. We can... We're good riders.
I might start racing.
Oh, dude, we passed it up big time.
That was too much fun. That's our problem.
Yeah, hey, do you got your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, good, just in case we get lost. We can always see where we are.
I should just look up here down and see where we can.
You just pull it right now.
Dude, I told you. You need to turn around.
Hey, we lost it.
You need to turn around.
I see what we did. We passed it up too far. You just run over a stick? Yep, right here it is. I remember that.
You guys don't stop, you know that, right?
Dude, I